Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, with the PAC promo report for Saturday, August 28th, 2021. Have an update on the Red Skull price at VeVe, and they just had another drop today with the Fantastic Four, but I won't go into that. I'm just going to pretty much stick just to the price of the Red Skull. I do got a little bit of information about Akomi, though, being that they are the ones with OMI token, and I will update that at the end or at the second part of this video. Right now, let's talk about Pro Advertisers Club. We're at 289 members with 273 free, 16 VIP. And Pro Advertisers Club is free to join, and you can advertise in it pretty much anything except porn and gambling. Once you join, every day when you log in, you'll come to this page. This is the members website area. You'll go through a few login spots that are probably purchased from members or part of the VIP group. And then once you get here, on every page, you're going to have a drop-down sticky bar that has some information. Click for a daily bonus that gets you 100 credits. It goes up 100 every day till it reaches 3,000 in 30 days, and it goes back to 100. If you miss a day, it goes back to 100. Right here is where you set up your ads, and you can view the stats for them. There's a site tester here to make sure you're not wasting your credits or your money. So if it works on this, it will work on the site. If it doesn't work, it's not going to work on the site. So there's usually it's sticking an S after the HTTP is the problem. If it's something else, contact support and we'll figure it out. The PAC report takes you to my web YouTube channel with all my videos. Right now I got 4 different videos going. I got Truckers video. I've got VeVe report. I got the PAC report and ASN All Solutions Network. So there's 4 different kind of videos going on right now. There's a game to play here. It's called the Grid Click. You click on that and it takes you to the game area. Everybody who plays gets a free solo every single day. Okay. These are paid member ads. You get 1 for $12, 3 for $30. And this is also on the splash page. So that's extra advertising for the paid members. But you either between your first click or your last click of 15, you're going to win a free solo guaranteed. And you're going to get a promo. Take that promo down to here. Well, one, you put it in the redeem promo and then send it to contact support. And I'll enter you into a nightly drawing at Hercules Plus for over 170,000 members. That's in addition to the free one you won. And also another way or a couple ways to get another solo is if you do at least, let's go back to the start here page. And there's a meter down here that will show you if you qualify. If whenever you read an email that a Pro Advertiser member sends to you, not only do you help them, but you help yourself. Because if you get 5 or more, you qualify for a nightly drawing for a free solo. So that's 3 solos you could win a day. And the 4th one is while you're reading these advertisements, randomly people will win a solo. So that's up to 4 solos you could win on a very good day. The bonus ad, you could set up if you buy a spot, you can set it up and it will be seen here on the daily bonus points. Earn your credits here by viewing other members' ads. Buy with cash or credit points. Advertisement. Here's your redeem your promos. This is still the site. You got to watch their video and you get to put yours on here in the top. And then when 5 people have stolen it, you'll fall off. More free advertising. Affiliate tools is all the banners and promotional materials as well as your stats. And there's 2 splash pages right now. The 3rd and 4th one, thanks to reducethehype.com, that are doing very well. They promote the grid click game. Okay. Here's the 2 offers I'm running right now. And the first one is a $69 VIP for the first 100 people. There's only 14 left or 84 left. And once that fills up, it's done, but you get 80% commission on all sales. So take advantage of it while you can. The next specials. I think it's $49 for a whole bunch of credits. Uh, I've also got this for sale for $49, but it doesn't give you all the credits and advertising. It just gives you the VIP and the 147,000. This one gives you 347,000 plus a lot of other stuff. The only way to pay right now is PayPal or Bitcoin or crypto of some kind. I can send you the address or post it to you an email if you want to pay by crypto, but most people don't. I can understand why. So right now, my only method of payment is PayPal. My Stripe account got shut down. I'm working on replacing it. It's going to take me a week or two probably to figure out what I want to do. Um, Everybody who upgrades gets a gift slot. VIP gets 5. And if you got something that you can give away that's free, that's legally yours to give away, you can advertise it and get them on your capture page there. Downline builder right here, fill all those out. All these sites I use, they you want to get it filled out so if somebody signs up underneath you, you get the credit. Otherwise, it bounces up to the person above you, which in a lot of cases might be me or a couple other people who are promoting very heavily on this site. If you want an ad exchange like this one, click here, go to Phil Marr's site. He'll sell you one already made. He'll make one for you, custom make one, or he'll sell you the script and you can make your own. And that's the support and all that. Down here, there's another welcome promo. And so about half of y'all have turned that in. So a lot of people still can turn that in and get the free advertising. I send out an email every morning with a ton of advertising, free advertising on it with a promo code. So make sure if you're not seeing that to whitelist it so that you are not missing out on all this free advertising. The stockpile, if you don't think you need to use it all because the site's still relatively new, go ahead and stockpile for the day when you're going to want to use it or need it. Otherwise, it's just going to waste. The promo codes are only good for 24 hours, and that's it. So use it or lose it. And that's it. Thanks for everybody who's been supporting Pro Advertisers Club. Really appreciate it. And we're going to keep going at it and building this to a good site that's you're going to want to have as part of a cornerstone or a part of your business. Now, going to VeVe. I bought this guy a couple weeks ago. I had just found out about VeVe. I hadn't heard of them 2 weeks ago. And a week before that, I barely knew anything about EFTs. But these are EFT licensed collectibles. So I went there because I got an email from Marvel Digital, which I belong to and I have for the last 5 years. That's where you pay a yearly fee or a monthly fee and you can read their entire database of comics. That what they've done is they took all their comics and they digitalized them onto the internet and you can read them. So I got 30,000, 50,000, how many ever comics Marvel's got, I can read all the way back to the 1930s. This is different. They're comics that they're going to put on here are NFTs. Okay. Same comic, but NFT. So when I got onto here, the only thing they had dropped of Marvel was Spider-Man, which I totally missed out on. And I missed out on the Mighty Marvels, which is these little toy-like figures. And so I went ahead and invested in this guy. He was $127. I got him. And what I'm going to do is keep a record every day of the prices of them so you can see if this is actually a good investment, if you have any interest in that. But they also have other collectibles like Back to the Future, Ghostbusters, Pokemon. They got all these licenses that they're pretty much in beta still. And I'll get to that in a second. But anyway, here's his price over the last. This is what I bought the whole set for. There's 5: Sam Wilson, Walker, Steve, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is what it's worth now. So it's gone up about $40, $30, or about that much. And it's still, like I said, just a couple weeks old. They dropped this on August 5th. So it's about 3 weeks old now. And as far as the price goes today for the Red Skull, um, I don't think I upgraded it, but it's at like 145. Now they had a drop today, but it's been hanging right around 150 for the past. It was that yesterday. I haven't updated in a couple of days, but as of right now, it is one. There's one there for 145. One rest are 150. So it's kind of hit its wall about 150 is where it's been stuck at. Okay. Um, and that would be the 28th. So I'll fill that in tonight and have that updated. So it's been maintaining and went up a little bit. There's only 5,000 of these of the Red Skull, and I got number 4,565. So it's kind of at the bottom. But the other thing that I wanted to show you, if you had any interest in this at all, is, and that is about, I've already talked about their license with Marvel, but VeVe moves to Ethereum via Immutable X. Okay. IMX, which is immutable, is an ERC20 utility token for the Immutable X protocol that drive adoption of NFTs and help creators, players, and developers reimagine value in a digital ecosystem. Okay, token holders, that is the OMI. That's the crypto that is attached to this site. You, at the moment, cannot pull any money out of this site. You can put it in, but you can't take it out. They're working on it. They're in the middle of transporting it from whatever site it was on over to Immutable X, which is on the Ethereum network. Okay. Once that gets done, which should be in the next month or so, you will be able to convert gems, which equal $1, into OMIs. And that price is always fluctuating. Right now it's 0.0002 cents or something like that. And so once that gets all done, the big question is for crypto investors is how well is the OMI going to do? Because basically VeVe is still in beta. When something like this is going on, it's not fully functional like it should be, arguably. Some people say it is out of beta. I say it's really not. Once it gets going, is the price of that OMI going to come up? And right now, you can't get it anywhere except on two platforms or exchanges that I'm not even connected to, and I'm not going to deal with it till this will be the way I get it, is once they approve it, or not approve it, but connect it so that I can then take my gems, convert them into OMI, transport them out into your wallet, and then from there you can cash it out or save it or whatever, is pretty much what's going on with that. But if you want to do your own research, Immutable X, okay, it's called IMX, and the token is called OMI. And that's it for right now. So thank you for watching and supporting Pro Advertisers Club, and you all have a nice Saturday.